आयच्या सिली सोल्स कॅफेची सुनावणे उपरांत अबकारी आयुक्तान फुडल्या सुनावण्या खातीर 2 प्रश्न तयार केल्यात. अबकारी परवानो फटींगपणान मेळ्ळो काय ना आनी अबकारी अधिकाऱ्यांच्या काय भागाचेर प्रक्रियात्मक अनियमितताय आयली काय ना हें पॅनल पळयतलें. फुडली सुनावणी 22 ऑगस्टाक जातली.
आता वाडत वचपी वादाचे केंद्र आशिल्ले हे बार आनी कॅफेचे फाटल्या सप्तकाच्या बेरेस्तारा वकील आयरिश रॉड्रिगीसान अबकारी आयुक्ता कडेन कागाळ दाखल केल्या उपरांत प्रकरण उजवाडाक आयले. राज्यांतल्या अबकारी नेमा प्रमाण फकत सद्याच्या रेस्टॉरंटाक बार परवानो दितले असो दावो रॉड्रिगीसान कागाळीत केला. पूण सद्याच्या प्रकरणात नेमाचें उल्लंघन जालां.
And he has directed the owners of the restaurant to file their written submissions on and has kept the matter for the next hearing on 22nd of August, as the excise department is now busy with the panchayat elections. Pointed out to the excise commissioner that the excise license was fraudulently, illegally obtained by them, and all the records show that the law was deviated, because the law requires that there should be a functional restaurant before giving an excise license, and there was no restaurant when the license was given. So I pointed out all this and the fraudulent way in which the license has been renewed in the name of a dead person. So all the documents on record speak for itself, and I'm sure the excise commissioner will decide accordingly. Also seized of the matter, because the panchayat has now informed me that no permission was given for the construction of this restaurant, and I have also pointed out to the town and country planning department that low-lying field has been filled and illegally this restaurant has been constructed. So all the authorities are seized of this issue.
अबकारी आयुक्तान आयज हो प्रस्न आयकलो आनी येवपी सुनावणेक मार्गदर्शन करपी 2 मुखेल मुद्द्याची चौकट तयार केली. एडवोकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिगीसान माहिती दिली. ताका कितें सांगपाचें आशिल्लें तें पळयात.
See, the issues that he has framed. The first issue is the excise license obtained by submitting false and inadequate documents and by misrepresenting facts. This is the first issue. The second issue is, are there procedural irregularities on the part of the excise officials? So these are the 2 issues which have been framed, and the proceedings now will be guided by these 2 issues.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विन्संट रोजारियो.